Have a nice day, students. In this section, we are going to discuss how to find the isomer for alkanes. To find the isomer for alkanes, it will be vary by the number of carbons. The number of carbon from 1 to 7, we won't use one formula. That is 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. The n, it represents the number of carbon. Let us check with the first carbon, 1 carbon for the methane, number of isomers. N is the number of carbon, so for the methane, carbon is 1, so 1 minus 4 plus 1. 1 minus 4, it will become 2 power minus 3 plus 1. When there is minus 3, we want to ignore it. We are not supposed to consider it. So remaining only 1. So the isomer for the methane is 1. Let me check to the ethane. Number of carbon in the ethane, it is 2. Number of the carbon in ethane, it is 2. So 2 power 2 minus 4 plus 1. So here 2 power minus 2 plus 1. Again power is minus 2, we won't ignore it. Remaining thing only 1. So for ethane also the isomer, it will be 1 only. Then if the number of carbon is 3, that is a propane. If the number of carbon is 3, propane, what is the number of isomer? Now we'll check it out. The same formula, 2n minus 4 plus 1, 2, n is 3, 3 minus 4 plus 1. Here 2 power minus 1 plus 1. Here also minus 1 is there, so we won't ignore it. So the number of isomer for the propane, only 1. Then butane. Butane, the same formula, 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. Here the number of carbon for the butane is 4. 2 power 4 minus 4 plus 1. So 4 minus 4, it will become 0. 2 power 0 plus 1. Anything power 0, it will become 1. So 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 2. So butane isomer 2. Let us check to the pentane. Pentane, number of carbon is 5. Number of carbon for the pentane, it is 5. So 2 power 5 minus 4 plus 1. So 2 power 1 plus 1. So it will be 3. So the number of isomer for the pentane, it will be 3. Like this we can apply for the hexane and heptane. Up to heptane we can apply this. Up to heptane, if you apply the formula, you will get the isomer 9 like that. But for 8, if the number of carbon is 8, we want to change the formula. This is the formula. 2 power n minus 4 plus 2. If the number of carbon is 8, we want to use this formula. So number of carbon is 8. So 8 minus 4 plus 2. So here it will be 4 plus 2. So 2 power 8 minus 4. 2 power 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 6. 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So number of carbon is 8 means isomer, it will be 18. Then if the carbon is 5, number of carbon is 9. If the number of carbon is 9, then the formula, it want to be changed. 2 power n minus 4 plus 3. Plus 3. Now number of carbon is 9. 2 power 9 minus 4 plus 3. Then here 2 power 5 plus 3. So when you multiply this, you will get 32. 2 power 5, you will get 32. 32 plus 3, it will become 35. Then finally, if the number of carbon is 10, if the number of carbon is 10, you want to use the final formula. That is 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. Here also the n, everywhere the n, it represents the number of carbon. So 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 plus 10. So it will become 2 power 6 plus 1 plus 10. When you sum up, you will get 75. So the number of carbon, if it is 10, the isomer, it will be 75. So 1 carbon means methane, 2 carbon, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. By using the formula, we can find the isomer for alkanes. Only thing to remember, from 1 to 7 carbon, we want to use this formula. Then for the 8th carbon, this formula. For 9th carbon, this formula. For the 10th carbon, this formula. Thanks for listening, students.